Welcome back. We are going to walk through how to create our own menu in a Google Sheet. So right now we have the default menu options. We would like to create our own so that in the future we can add our own functions and then we'll be able to access them through our spreadsheet. So to do that, we go to Extensions and App Script. So in our app script, it's going to default with my function. We're going to, you can either delete this, but we're just going to change the name to onOpen. Now this is a kind of pre-known function name built into Google Sheets, and with this it's going to tell the spreadsheet that when you open the spreadsheet on your computer or hit the refresh button, that it's going to pull in this function and run it. And that function is going to be to display our menu. So first we need a variable that's going to be UI equals SpreadsheetApp.getUi. There it is. I'm going to do curly brackets, semicolon, and now down here we can reference our new variable ui.createMenu, and now we can name our menu anything we want. So name of menu. Perfect. Now menu is really not that great without the ability to do anything. So if we run this, it should hopefully create our menu for us. We'll see. I usually create the whole thing first, but I just want to see if this will actually create it for us. So it didn't create anything. So that's probably because we haven't added it to the UI yet. So let's add an item. addItem. First one. Now you need two things here. You need the name of the item itself. So when you kind of click on the menu, you'll have a drop-down menu of items you can pick. And we'll just say drop down 1. And then second, you need the name of the function. So we're just going to put function here for now. And then do addToUi. So now let's hit save and refresh. And just in case, let's hit refresh here. For some reason, it's not showing up there. What did we do wrong? Oh, I need my semicolons and curly brackets. Now let's do it. That is called a syntax error. There it is. So here's the name of our menu, and here is our drop-down item 1. Currently, when you click it, nothing happens. That's because we would need to now write function 1. And we would now have to define it. And then it would run. So that is how you create a menu. In the next video, we'll talk about how to create other functions. Right now, we've technically created our first function. We're going to do some more complicated ones. But in the next video, we're out of time.